The Brilliant has several different buttonholes built right in. These are all one-step buttonholes. You can choose whichever one you like, and getting the perfect size buttonhole for your button is very, very easy. Here's the buttonhole foot, and it slides open, and in the back, you're going to place the button that you're going to sew on, and then this attaches just like the rest of the snap-on feet. So I'm going to bring it in from the back, give myself a little extra high lift, and then drop the ankle right down. The next step that we have to make sure that we do is to pull down the buttonhole lever. So on the back of the machine here, we've got a little lever that comes down, and that goes in between the two raised plastic pieces on the side of the buttonhole foot. That's how the machine is going to measure the size of the button to create the perfect buttonhole. Now we can slide our fabric in, and you want to make sure that you keep in mind that your buttonhole is going to start stitching at the front and then work toward the back. So keep that in mind for placement. Lower the presser foot, and for a buttonhole, I like to use the start-stop button. Then the machine's going to automatically stitch the buttonhole one time, and it's going to stop and lock in the stitches that's programmed right into the buttonhole. The machine stops when the buttonhole's finished. Then I just cut my threads, and here we have our beautiful, perfect buttonhole, and it's exactly the right size for our button.